Hello guys, welcome to the complete HTML practical course. In this video, I'm gonna cover how to choose the best text editor for learning HTML. So write HTML using Notepad or TextEdit. HTML can be edited by using professional HTML editors like, as you can see in here, Sublime Text Editor, Atom Text Editor, and Notepad++ Text Editor. These all guys are very professional editors, and there's a lot of editors on the internet. You can search and download them and using for writing your HTML code. However, for learning HTML, I recommend a text editor like Notepad in PC and TextEdit in Mac. I believe using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. So let's test these text editors and let's write our first project in these text editors. So let's see how easy they are. So here at the first, I'm gonna open the Atom text editor, and this is free. You can download it from the internet and install it and use this. So here I write my HTML code, and here I say why you shouldn't use this text editor. This is a good text editor, but not for learning HTML because it has a auto completion. When you work on a real world project, it is good to have like this text editor for fasting your project, for finishing your project. And it's not good for learning because it has auto completion enabled. When you write HTML, it recommend you, do you want HTML, or here I want to close that HTML. For example, here I'm gonna open the head tag. As you can see, this all are here like head, and I click this, and I open and close this like this, and this is the body and this is the body. So it helps me to choosing the tag before writing completely. So I don't recommend using this text editor for you. And let's test this Sublime. Sublime is more professional than Atom text editor. So let's test this. I'm gonna type the HTML. As you can see, this as well help me like this. And when I close this, I set the slash, and it completed without any writing. So this is not recommend. I don't recommend you to use this editor for your learning HTML. So this is not, I don't recommend. But the next one is Notepad++. Notepad++ is same as like Notepad in PC. So let's write our HTML code. I write H. As you can see, it's as well like the Atom text editor. I want to write the HTML, and it recommends you to hit enter, and it completed. HTML, I hit enter and it completed. But here in the Notepad++ program, you can easily disable the auto completion in the setting preference. Go to the auto completion and uncheck this option and click on close. And here when I write the HTML, and it doesn't recommend me the text. So the benefit of the using Notepad++, I recommend you choose the Notepad++ text editor because it highlights, and it's very good for learning the HTML. Because in the Notepad program, when I write the HTML like this, and it don't highlight the HTML, when I write a lot of HTML code and it don't highlight. But in the Notepad program, when I say head here, I close it, I start the body, I close. When I click on the body, it show me the where it started, and it's the benefit of using the Notepad++ program. So after this video, we will uh, write our HTML codes always on the Notepad++ program because it is the best editor for learning that HTML. Happy coding!